There's many different options for installing Elixir. You could download and compile the source code, if that's how you roll, or you could download pre-built binaries and place them in appropriate directories and then set some environmental variables, or you can just use an installer or package manager, which is what I recommend. Now, I'm going to show you how to install Elixir on the Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu in the next few videos, but if you'd rather follow some written instructions, then just follow the notes you see after this video. Before I show you how to install Elixir, I want to briefly talk about what is actually getting installed. There is only one prerequisite for installing Elixir, which is that you need to have Erlang installed. Why do you need Erlang installed? You probably know the answer to this based on what I've already talked about. You need Erlang installed because Elixir is compiled to bytecode that runs on the Erlang virtual machine. If you're somewhat of a new programmer, this might seem a little bit weird, but it's a pretty common practice. For example, the Java virtual machine was created for Java, and the Java VM is pretty great at a lot of things because tons of effort and money have gone into building it. So there have been many languages that have been designed to run on the JVM to take advantage of all the work that has gone into building the JVM. The same idea holds true with Elixir and the Beam virtual machine. Decades of work have gone into building the Beam virtual machine, and Elixir was created to take advantage of all those efforts. Essentially, Elixir stands on the shoulders of those who came before it, the shoulders of many Erlang engineers. And without Erlang and the Beam virtual machine, Elixir just wouldn't exist. Now, if you use one of the installers that I'm about to show you, you won't have to worry about installing Erlang in the Beam. It'll automatically be installed for you. Okay, in the next 3 videos, I'll show you how to install Elixir on the Mac, Windows, and Ubuntu. Go ahead and watch the video that matches your operating system.